today I'll be showing you how I built this car wash that I had in the other video. Because the car wash, it's a foot and 6 inches tall. I think it's like a foot and 4 inches across. It needs to be pretty high and wide, you know. What you need is, let me get you guys up close and look. What you need is 1/2 inch PVC. And you build it with some connectors, cut it with ever. You can get PVC cutters or a saw. You can get anything to cut it with. But yeah, pretty big. And then once you put it together, I don't know if you want to glue it, you can glue it, but it's so big that might not want to if you want to take it down or something. Just pops out. And then you'll also need a hose and something to connect the hose, like a lever. Let me show you. You'll also need a drill, and the drill bit has to be pretty small because we want the pressure to be high. And don't put it on the top because then all that water is just going down and it's not going to go back up. It's not going to have enough pressure for the top or bottom. So I put it on the bottom, and this is how it looks. So I just turn it. You'll see it starts reaching at the top. See how you basically drive your car through here. Very cool. This build, it took me a while for some reason. I don't know why it took me a while. It just did, you know. Oh, it's cold. It's for like RC crawlers and everything. Sorry the loudness of my AC. Why? But anyways, if you can barely hear me, that's what it is. This is for like anything that's like if you want to do proper cleaning, do it on my last video. But if you want just a cleaning of like there's mud on there or dirt or it's just really, really messy, just drive it through here. But I would suggest getting a piece of plywood to go on the bottom and out there so that the tires don't get all muddy and so that it has grip, because these things don't have that much grip. I'm gonna turn this off before I run the water bill. Yeah, it's cool. We're gonna do a couple things. So what you need for the top, this is a tricky problem that I had, and I finally found a solution. Get a connector like this, 4, and then get a connector that it's like an elbow, I think, so it goes across here. But it's not going to be perfect. It's got to be obviously out more. Focus. There we go. So yeah, you'll need that. This will probably cost you $40. It depends where you're shopping, Home Depot or Lowe's. I got this one from Home Depot. Had everything. They had PVC. You can do a bigger one, but for a bigger one, I think you'd have to have 2 hoses because of pressure. Because you want as small holes as you want, so that's not so weak when it does it. Because you want it to really wash it. You don't just want it to drizzle. Like, you don't want to drizzle like this. You don't want that. That's nothing. But what you do want is this. Now that. Something. That's a lot of water coming out. And it's sort of in a pattern. So what I did is every single part of this has a hole in it. So on the sides, holes in here, holes in here, holes in the bottom, holes in that middle. Holes on the top. As you can see. All sides, even on the corner, like right there. We'd have it right there. Look at that. So yeah, that's so that every piece of your RC car gets soaked and cleaned, hopefully. Look at that. Look at my chickens.
Look at them. They're so cute. Finally see them. Oh, look. Here's Tweety Bird. You guys want to get in here? Nah, I'm too nice. They're too cute. You guys want to have a shower? What are they doing? This will also be great for washing dogs. Like small dogs, just get a leash, go through there, nice and wet. Look at this. This is Tweety Bird. Tweety Bird, Tweety Bird, Tweety Bird. She's the sweetest. She'll come to you. So yeah, this is the RC car wash build. Very big, and just when you stand in it, I'll get soaked. If needed for anything, I would push such a turn on, yes or no. Oh! No, it's not gonna get them that wet. They'll be fine. They have feathers. They always like to get wet. I like the cool because it's hot up here, especially because I have feathers. Sorry if I talk weird because I have gum in my mouth. Spit it out. Everywhere. Yeah, if you guys like my video, bye. Also, oh yeah, I forgot. Like and subscribe, turn on that bell, and keep watching. That's all I have to say. Bye.